Welcome to solverfy.
So, pitch can be quantified as a frequency. It's not exactly frequency because it's a psychoacoustical thing. So, we cannot completely say that it's purely objective physical property. So, let's also think about different physical phenomena when light with some frequency falls upon the material with the frequency equal to the natural frequency of the material. So natural frequency is equal to frequency of light which falls upon it. Then light is completely absorbed. Let's use this or extend this principle. So small bells produce high pitch and large bells produce low pitch. It means that small bells have frequency which is close to the high pitch frequency which is near them, so they can have frequency which is exactly equal or close to it. On the other hand, large bells have the frequency which is far from the high pitch. It means that small bells will interact or absorb more with high frequency. Thank you.